During CES, we checked out a product called Heat It. We actually have a video. We'll put a link down below. This product is specifically designed to help treat insect bites. They have it available for Android and iPhone. This is the model specifically for Android. It runs with a USB-C. The Apple one does have the Lightning connector on it. It plugs right into your phone's power port, and then what it does is it uses an app to specifically program the amount of heat that is going to be produced by this. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside the box. Got a little manual. And a little tab there. So it's supposed to, I guess, pull out. Oh, it's to pull out, and then you have the little "Made in Germany with Love," and then there's where the spot is there. Interesting box. It has a little walkthrough about how you basically use it, but we'll do that for you. And then right here is the actual item. Now you can put this on a keychain with that little loop right there, and that specifically is going to give you the ability to take this on the go. Once you're ready to use it, you just pop this piece off the bottom of it. Like I said, this USB-C goes right into the phone, and then there's a little heating plate there on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a little bit of silver there. That's the heating element. So that's where the heat's going to come from. Once you put it in the phone, you put it on where the bug bite is, and it's going to produce that heat to relieve the pain. It does that by basically taking the receptors that basically is able to tell it that it's basically being irritated and itchy due to the histamines and everything from the bug bite, and it's going to take that and it's going to mute that signal to your nerves, and that way you are able to not scratch it and get that instant relief from a bug bite that you normally would get from an antihistamine cream like a bug bite cream. But it's really helpful. Let's plug this in, show you how it works, show you a little bit more about the app, and we'll be right back. So this little thing is really cool. The app also really makes it usable on multiple levels, but it's just easy to have this just on the go. Your phone's always with you, your keys are always with you. You always have relief from bug bites. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.